Hey guys, I got some yummy deliciousness going on here. Stick around. Yum. Hey guys, welcome. So today, I'm going to be chowing down on some good olds. I got the mussels, the shrimp, the corn, hamburger, and I got a little bit of butter sauce that I cooked up. So let's dig in. I'm like so freaking hungry. And look at that, my first one, empty. Who does that? Like, I'm gonna need for the mussel people to make, oh, here go my mussel. Make sure that the mussels are in the mussels. Let's get in. So hungry right now. Oh, I ain't never ever seen that. Look how tiny that mussel is. Look at that. But, look at that. Well. But guess what, baby mussel? I'm gonna eat you. Get in my mouth. He don't wanna go. Tastes like a baby mussel. Yeah. I put some ginger in there. So much garlic sauce in there. That is some good stuff. Nice. Shrimp already peeled. Check it out. I'm gonna eat you too. This sauce is like banging right now. Here's some of this hamburger. Really good. I'm gonna dip it in there, see what it tastes like. Man, I'm telling you. Butter sauce make everything taste good. Everything. Look at that. So good. So check this out. You ever had something that you wanted to tell somebody so bad, but you can't? Okay. So it's these people. My son played football, right? It's these people that come to the football field with their kid. They be just as high as a kite. The very first day of practice, we was like halfway through practice. Practice almost done, right? So this car rolls up and all loud, like right? Enough to get everybody's attention. So we all turn around like, what's going on? Because who drives like that when you around kids, right? So, guy and girl get out. Don't wait on the sidelines. They walk confidently to the middle of the field where the coach is. Mind you, practice is still going on, full-fledged practice, right? Kids hitting each other, practicing, you know, getting it in. Coach doing his thing. These two people completely oblivious to the fact that practice is going on. Probably because they high, right? So they come on with their kid, interrupt practice, talk to the coach, pull him to the side, and say, I want my son to play quarterback. We are looking around like, you could just make a request like that? Coach looking goofy in the face like, what you talking about? Ooh. I ain't bring no napkin up here. I need to learn how to keep my studio stocked. So, he repeats himself. I want my son to play quarterback. Coach like, has he ever played before? And dude is like, no, this is his first time playing. Like, what did he do that at? What? That is reckless. Then, that don't even take, that's not even the showstopper right there. So, the kid is on the side with his parents or whatever. I guess the coach must have told him, let me talk to you after practice because you came late. You know what I'm saying? So, they're sitting on the side and they're waiting till practice is over. Meanwhile, a second car pulls up. Music bumping. Nice little ride. Get out, dude, get out. Run over to them like, yo, I got the joints, you know, that you need. I'm like, I wonder what kind of joints he talking about. He come out, he got some football cleats, right? So, not one pair, not two pair, about 6 pairs, 6 boxes of cleats. 6 boxes of the same cleat. I don't know if it was 6 different sizes. About 6 boxes of the same cleat. So, little boy, surrounded by shoes, and dude said, I see y'all when I get home. I'm like, if you was gonna see them when you got home, couldn't you give them the shoes when you got home? Just a thought, you know. This burger is banging. I did that. So anyway, now we into practice for real. Every single practice, your son, you come with your kid either late or you don't show up. And then get mad when your son is on the side. And still, oh my God. And still, that's not even what takes the cake. There is more. Chick come to the football field with some booty shorts on, right? These booty shorts were so short, they wasn't even covering her booty. They was like butt crack shorts. Then, next time they come to the field, if they wasn't high before, they was super duper high this time. Dude so yellow. He looked like he dead, right? The girl, high as a kite. Proceeds to sit on the bleachers and put on her makeup. Full face makeup. Using her phone, right? No. You would think, it's so funny, like, you would think that she was using the mirror on her phone, the mirror app, or maybe the camera. She got an iPhone. I'm gonna give you a minute. See if you can guess. I'm gonna give you like 3 tries. Nope. Try again. Nope. Nope. Try again. What's your last try? Last guess. Nope. After I eat this corn, I'm gonna tell y'all what she was using. That's so good. I got butter all under my chin. No! I'll tell you now. She was using the Apple icon on the back of her Apple iPhone. Yeah. That icon is that small. That's what she was using to do her whole face. High as a kite. She looked a hot mess. Her whole face, y'all. Foundation, whole face. So, today we went to a football field. Tay mom had to reiterate a fact that no drug use on the field, no alcohol on the field, don't come to practice high or drunk, da da da. And these goofballs had the nerve to not even show up when that speech was mainly for them. How you transporting your child in a vehicle while you are under the influence of drugs? You can't pay me to believe neither one of them on drugs, because they just don't make people like that. So we always went around every practice for the show, because that is ridiculous. Them got mad and told the coach that he was upset because his son was getting hit. Like, dude, your son play football. What do they do in football, y'all? What do they? Thank you. Thank you. That's all they do is hit in football. Come on now. Everybody knows that. That's all I'm going to say about that. Like, I ain't got nothing else to say about that. So, please, please, please support your kids and all their special extracurricular activities. And like, comment, and subscribe to this channel and this video. Hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I have an upload. And don't forget to always, always, always put a little sauce on your awesome and sprinkle it with a little razzle dazzle.